Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystic Dani. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Pisces for the month of February 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, let's see what do the cards have for Pisces. In this reading, we see the overall energy for you guys, the key challenges and obstacles, actions or advice, your strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. So let's see what do the cards have. Okay, let's see what are the key challenges we have for you, Pisces. Okay. What are the actions or advice we have for Pisces for February? Actions or advice for Pisces for February. Actions or advice for Pisces, please, for February. Actions or advice for Pisces. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay. Got it. Let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for you. Please clarify King of Wands. Please clarify King of Wands, the strength and opportunities. Please clarify King of Wands, the strength and opportunities. Okay, so Babel outcome please for Pisces. Babel outcome for Pisces please. Alright, please clarify the Temperance card. Temperance. Okay, I think one card flipped. Yep. Alright. So, bottom of the deck we have the Two of Swords. So, bottom of the deck energy basically, guys, is the energy like you're dealing with subconsciously or, it's running in your mind. So, what is running in your mind is not having clarity on what you need to do, which way you have to go. It's, lack of clarity on what kind of decision you should make. There is an indecisiveness happening, and because of that, there is so much of emotional turmoil going on, emotional lows and highs is happening. Sometimes you're like, okay, let it happen, whatever is going to happen. Sometimes overthinking starts happening, so उस तरह की energy है, because you're not able to see clearly, you're not able to come to a conclusion, you're not able to decide a particular thing. Okay, it can be staying in a connection, it can be staying in a job, it can be starting something of your own, it can be planning a travel or a trip to some place you have never been before, and there are so many things which are coming in your mind, and because of that you are not able to come to a conclusion. Okay, now it can be for anything, any phase of your life, but there is some kind of indecisiveness going on or happening in you, I see. Okay, now the overall energy for you Pisces in February I see is जो भी confusion है ना, जो भी doubt है, जो भी जो भी चीज़ है जो आपको रोक रही है decision लेने से, all that will sort out. Okay, जो भी obstacles है, जो भी confusions है, जो भी fogginess है, basically वो सब दूर हो जाएगी, and you will be able to come to a conclusion. You will be you will be making decision, you will be making choices with so much of clarity and logic. Okay, you are not making any decision, I see, based on emotions. Rather, you are being focused, you are being logical, and you are being very foresightedness. You are having that foresightedness that this is what I am going to decide, and this is the reason behind it. This is why I am taking a particular decision. And at the same time I see that you are being very clear in your communication, being very vocal, very expressive on what is that you are going to do, what you are planning to do, or which is why you have taken a particular decision. Okay, so बहुत ज़्यादा clarity है, बहुत ज़्यादा focused decision, focused choice है, is what I'm seeing. I also see that there will be so many creative ideas for some of you, that you will have different creative ideas, strategies बनाओगे आप, बहुत बेसिकली बहुत एक नया कुछ स्टार्ट हो रहा है, समथिंग न्यू, विच जिसमें आपको थोड़ा क्रिएटिव सोचने की जरूरत है, क्रिएटिव डिसीजन लेने की जरूरत है, क्रिएटिवली किसी चीज को हैंडल करने की जरूरत है, तो वो चीज भी मुझे दिख रही है हैपनिंग, ओके, इन द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुअरी माय डियर. But the main thing is you are being very clear in your communication. I also see that you need to set boundaries, or you are already setting boundaries wherever it is required, okay, which is a very good thing. So you're not letting your emotions overpower you here, is what I'm seeing here, Pisces. Now, the obstacle here is you're walking away from something which is not giving you mental peace. For some of you, it can be, आप थोड़ा सा आपको डिस्टेंस या थोड़ा सा आपको स्पेस चाहिए है, इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग. इट कैन बी फॉर वेरी फ्यू एंड स्पेसिफिक दैट यू नीड सम स्पेस फ्रॉम योर सराउंडिंग्स, फ्रॉम द पीपल अराउंड, और आप थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस क्रिएट कर रहे हो. इट कैन बी आप कहीं पे रिलोकेट कर रहे हो. फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट कैन बी आपका इट कैन बी फॉर वेरी फ्यू एंड स्पेसिफिक कि आपका एक बहुत बड़ा जॉइंट फैमिली है, एंड नाउ फॉर सम और द अदर रीजन आपको थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस हो रहा है. इट कैन बी रिलोकेशन टू अ न्यू प्लेस बिकॉज ऑफ योर वर्क, or because of your family, or because of your work responsibilities, for whatever reason, but there is some kind of distance being created, I see, happening here. Okay, and which is not easy for you to deal with. आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, but given the responsibilities, you are doing it. It can also be for very few and specific of you that you are missing that family bond, that emotional bond, that emotional connection, that celebration, because you are not you are being away from your family for some of you. Okay, it's going in both the ways, but yeah, these are both the messages I'm getting here. See how it's connecting with you. I also see that for some of you, you are struggling in handling your finances, and you need to maybe for some of you, आप आपको अपना finance handle करने के लिए you are thinking of taking a different approach altogether, or a different way. Maybe अभी आपका एक particular specific area में आपका work was restricted, and now you want to expand it to different regions, different locations, different geographical locations. तो उसके लिए भी आपको थोड़ा सा थोड़ा आपको इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए थोड़े डिस्कशंस हो रहे हैं, थोड़ा something is happening which is not coming to a conclusion. Okay, so there is so much of discussion happening among the family or the business partners, or जो भी involved है उसमें, is what I'm seeing happening here. I also see for some of you that you want a long-term connection in your life, and somewhere you are looking for it, you are waiting for it, that I am ready to have that long-term connection, I'm ready to have that long-term stability in my life. But for some or the other reason, it's kind of stuck. That energy or that particular thing is not moving ahead, is what I am getting here, Pisces. Okay, yeah. Now let's see the action or advice here is. So, see, you are waiting for something, and now something is happening here. I see that if you are single, then there are very good chances that you might meet someone who will who will be emotionally available to you, somebody who is coming to you with a love offer, somebody who is a soulmate kind of energy. Basically, I am seeing happening here. It can be you might meet someone with whom you will have an equal emotional maturity, emotional bond up. You will share your emotions with each other. It's not need not be a love connection. It can be a new friend coming in your life, a new person coming in your workplace, जिससे आप आपका bond बहुत अच्छा है, and you will mingle in a much better way, okay, with that person. For some of you, I see that you are going to get married also, is what I'm getting here. You are going to meet your soulmate, and it's going to end up in a marriage. There is a celebration happening for you. Maybe for some of you, अगर आप you were waiting for that kind of connection, then it's happening for you in the month of February. I see at least new phase in your life is going to start uh, in a love area of your life, basically in your relation, or basically. Okay, so I see that at least some kind of a small celebration also, it can be getting engaged with the love of your life, it can be meeting someone with whom you will start connecting at an emotional level, and you might decide that you are ready to move on with this person. In it can be moving on with this person to a new place, relocation with this person. There is some kind of happiness celebration happening for you, Pisces, I see, in the month of February. It can be for some of you an achievement in your workplace also, where people will be celebrating your happiness, people will be happy for you, for your growth, for your success. And there is some kind of celebration happening in your workplace. There is passion involved, because there is so much passionate energy, I see. It can be for very few and specific of you that you're getting married to the love of your life in this month. Okay, Pisces, is what I'm getting here for you. These both are the beautiful cards, and they have come together. So it's a very positive card. Happiness, celebration, time to celebrate, time to enjoy, time to celebrate your success, time to meet people, and share your emotions, share your happiness, share your whatever is holding you back. Just express your love to that person. जो भी आपका emotions है, आप उसके साथ share कर सकते हो, and that person is not going to judge you, is what I'm getting here for you, Pisces. Beautiful card. Now the strength and opportunities for you, Pisces, I see that जो भी है ऑब्स्टिकल, आप उसको डील कर लोगे. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि देयर इज सो मच टू क्रिएट, सो मच टू बैलेंस, आपको पर्सनल लाइफ पे भी ध्यान देना है, आपको अपने वर्क में भी ध्यान देना है, आपको फाइनेंसेस भी मैनेज करना है, उसकी वजह से डीप डाउन अगर कहीं आप ओवर थिंक कर रहे हो, आप आपको लग रहा है कि कैसे बैलेंस करना है, कैसे प्रायोरिटाइज करना है चीज़ों को, तो आप कर लोगे. ओके, डोंट लेट दिस ओवर थिंकिंग एंड mismanagement thing overpower you. You need to understand your own strength, that you are capable of handling everything so well, with so much of confidence. You have that passion, okay, to handle things uh, in a much more managed way, basically. Aap to don't let this thing overpower you, rather try to understand your own caliber, don't doubt yourself. Have a proper plan, have a proper strategy, and work towards your goal. Okay, have that foresightedness, distribute the work. Okay, you have enough support, you have the people around. So आपको हर चीज को अपने ऊपर लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, is what I'm getting here. So just try to handle things with so much of maturity, so much of passion and courage, that it doesn't end up in making you feel anxious and end up in overthinking. Okay, so just try to create balance, because that is what also the outcome is saying, to create balance, because you need to find a middle way to get the things done or to handle the things. Okay, there is growth, there is success, there is celebration happening. You are having a blessing from the universe. Okay, but don't doubt yourself. Have a proper strategy, have a proper plan. Okay, you need to be more creative, so that you can handle the things in a much more better way. Okay, so just जो भी आपको आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, जो भी आपको स्ट्रैटेजीज आप बना रहे हो, उसमें आप देखिए कि how which one is more effective and which one will help you to achieve your goal in a much better way, and try to implement it. Try to grab the ideas which are being sent to you by the universe, which your mind is creating, and work on it. Don't miss the opportunity. Don't just let it go if it is of useful for you, if it's of use for you. Okay, so just try to create a balance, try to figure a midway to deal with the things, because you will definitely see growth, you will definitely see your plans being working out in your favor, and you are getting the results of your hard work, because there is growth coming in for sure. There is support also you have from the universe, and जो भी challenge है आप उसको overcome कर लोगे. Okay, so don't give up on any situation, just be logical. Okay, be logical, be clear in your communication. Okay, have that foresightedness. Queen of Swords and King of Wands दोनों बोल रहा है, you have to be passionate and you have to be logical. Okay, whenever you are dealing with a particular thing. This is a beautiful energy, guys. Please don't forget to claim the positive energy from this reading. All right, now we'll see a guiding message. Wow. Let's see what's the guiding message we have for you, Pisces, for the month of February. Okay, so the basic thing for you, Pisces, is don't doubt yourself. Okay, be clear, be logical, be passionate towards your goal, towards your work, and things will work out. Okay, you will get the success. Now let's see what's the guiding message we have for you, Pisces. Okay, let's take both the cards. So moon and spring. Take note of your intuitive message. See, it's no coincidence that this card has come. As I was saying, जो भी आपको messages आ रहे हैं, you know, messages as in जो भी आपको ideas आ रहे हैं, जो भी आपको strategies आप plan कर रहे हो subconsciously, जो भी thoughts आ रहे हैं आपको, उसको आपको ignore नहीं करना है. Rather, you have to, you know, take note of it and make sure which one works in a best possible way for you and utilize it. Okay, don't let these ideas go into waste. Don't consider it as just a random thought कि आया और गया. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि you can make the best of it या फिर आप उसको utilize कर सकते हो, so just write it down and try to work on it if it's going to work in your favor. Another is a spring. See your seeds grow. As I said, there is growth coming in, there is success coming in, but don't be impulsive when we will get the success. There are very good chances that by coming spring you will see the things working in your favor. You will see the fruits of your hard work. Basically, you will get the rewards of your hard work by coming spring. Okay, so please claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.